Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be changing the filter on the all-new Jura E6. For this process, all you'll need is the Jura Clarus Smart Filter. This filter comes as individual units or in packs of 3. Pro tip, before you start this process, we always recommend taking your new filter out of the package and running clean water from your tap into the bottom of it for about 2 minutes. This will prime and charge your new filter prior to being used. To start this process, you're going to select the gear in the bottom left corner of your machine. You're then going to select Change the Filter. At this point, the machine will ask you for a new filter. If you have an existing filter, you're going to remove the water tank, remove the filter extension, take your new filter, connect it to the extension, refill the tank, and put it back on the machine. At this point, the machine will run water through the filter into the drip tray for several minutes. Once that's done, you're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some fun and cool content, and our website, fiamma.ca, for all your maintenance product needs.